And welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Jura Ena8, and the grinder was clogged in this machine. And what we did was we adjusted this coarser while the machine was running. Whenever you're adjusting the grinder, you always need to make sure the machine is running, or else it's hard on the grinder, and it can also cause it to jam. And then we also deep cleaned the inside of this chamber. It was full of a lot of it was just full of a lot of excess coffee. And then we're going to go ahead and pull a shot. So you get a nice shot of espresso. And nice firm pucks here. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel.